Good morning, my dear children. Welcome to St. Michael's e-learning classes. My name is Francis sir, and today, my dear children, we will be doing revisions of chapter 3 as well as chapter 4 for social science of standard 5. So let's begin with chapter 3. The name of the chapter is Rotation and Revolution. Question A. Fill in the blanks. Rotation and revolution are two movements of the earth. Question 2. Rotation and revolution take 1 and 365 1/4 days to complete respectively. Question 3. Earth revolves around the sun in a fixed orbit. Question 4. A leap year has 366 days. Question 5. 22nd December marks winter solstice and 21st June marks summer solstice. Let's see question B. Mark T for true sentences and F for false sentences. Question 1. Rotation and revolution take place alternatively. So the answer is true. Question 2. Revolution is primarily responsible for causing tides. So the answer is F, false. Question 3. A leap year has 366 days. So the answer is T, true. Question 4. If it is night in India, it would be night in USA. So the answer is F, false. Question 5. If 25th December is included in a year, it would be a leap year. So the answer is F, false. Let's see question C. Give reasons for the following. Question 1. You can celebrate your birthday over 2 days if you begin your celebration in India and end in USA. How is this possible? So the answer is this is possible because the earth rotates from west to east. It implies that in 24 hours, places located in the eastern hemisphere face the sun and turn away from it before places located in the western hemisphere. Let's see question number 2. Why does Antarctica in the southern hemisphere experience each season for half a year? So the answer is the Antarctica in the southern hemisphere experiences each season for half a year because this region receives sun rays for 6 months alternately. So half a year is summer and the other half is winter. Let's see question D. Answer the following in detail. Question number 1. How are days and nights caused? So the answer is Earth's rotation causes day and night. As the Earth rotates, the part facing the sun experiences day, while the part away from the sun experiences night. Let's see question number 2. Explain why 2020 is a leap year. So the answer is 2020 is a leap year because in this year, February has 29 days and it comprises 366 days altogether. Let's see question 3. Why does Australia experiences winter in June? So the answer is due to its location in the southern hemisphere, Australia experiences winter in June. Question number 4. How are seasons caused? So the answer is seasons are caused due to the revolution and the tilt of the Earth's axis. Question number 5. Why do equinoxes takes place during the spring and the autumn season? So the answer is equinoxes takes place during the spring and the autumn season because the sun shines twice directly over the equator. Now we will solve the question answers, fill in the blanks, etc. of chapter number 4. The name of the chapter is Realms of the Earth. Question A. Fill in the blanks. Question 1. The Earth is composed of 4 spheres or realms. Question 2. The lithosphere has 3 layers. Question 3. Since 71% of the Earth is covered with water, it is also known as the blue planet. Question 4. Rain and snow are forms of precipitation. Question 5. Atmosphere is a mixture of many gases. Now, question number B. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. Nearly 79% of the Earth's atmosphere consists of, so the correct answer is nitrogen, where my finger is pointing. Question 2. Continuous movement of water in the environment is known as water cycle. Question number 3. Lithosphere is the realm of land. Question 4. The innermost layer of the Earth is core. Now let's see. Answer the following in few words. Question 1. Name 3 living and 3 non-living components of the Earth. So the answer is 3 living components of the Earth are plants, animals and us. 3 non-living components of the Earth are land, water and air. Question number 2. Why is the inner core of the earth solid? So the answer is the inner core of the earth is solid due to the immense force exerted on it by the upper layers. Question number 3. What is water cycle? The answer is the continuous movement of water is known as the water cycle. Question number 4. Arrange mesosphere, exosphere, stratosphere, troposphere and ionosphere in the order of their occurrence starting from lowest to highest. So the answer is from the lowest to the highest, the layers of the atmosphere are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, ionosphere and exosphere. Now let's see question number 5. What is biosphere? Answer is biosphere is a zone of life on earth. It overlaps all the other 3 spheres. Now let's see D. Answer the following in detail. Question 1. Describe different layers in the lithosphere. So the answer is the different layers in the lithosphere are the crust, the mantle and the core. Of these, the core is further divided into the inner core and the outer core. Question number 2. Why is the earth known as the blue planet? So the answer is hydrosphere is a sphere of water. It covers nearly 71% of the earth's surface. Hence, the earth is known as the blue planet. Question 3. List at least one important point of each realm of the earth. So the answer is lithosphere is the realm of land. It is composed of the crust, mantle and the core. Hydrosphere is the realm of water and includes water in all forms. Atmosphere is the realm of air. It envelops the earth and comprises various layers. Biosphere is a zone of life on earth. It overlaps all the other 3 spheres. Now let's see the last question. Explain the importance of the biosphere. So the answer is biosphere is a sphere where life exists on earth. Life exists everywhere on land, in air and water. The biosphere overlaps all these spheres. It comprises the world of all the plants and animals, including ourselves. It also comprises the natural surroundings in which all of us interact and influence each other. Hence, the biosphere includes both the living and non-living components. So my dear students, in this way we have done the revision of chapter number 3 as well as chapter number 4 of social science for standard 5. Thank you.